Sammit,
Yo.
you mind if I do a skit?
Of course.
What are you doing?
We are dynoing my stock NA Miata.
So you came here to the U.S. You're here for an extended visit.
Yes, an extended visit now.
Yeah, thank you to Corona, sponsored by Corona.
Corona-chan.
Yeah, it's good. And now, so because of your extended visit, you decided to pick up a sweet American car?
Yep.
Because it's pretty much an American car.
Yeah, I mean it's left-hand drive, I guess.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Sure.
So you're enjoying the warm weather in your convertible Miata.
I just love, taking my hat off, feeling the breeze.
Yeah. Get your best friend in the passenger seat, take him for a ride with you.
Totally.
All right. Anyway, we got Sammit here. He bought a Miata. He wants to turbo it. So before he does anything, we're gonna baseline it and show him that it makes 85 horsepower. So let's get it done. Today, we have got a nice little GTR we're about to throw on the dyno. So this car was completely stock. This is a brand new, well, it's a 2019 GTR. 2019, everything's been like updated. We've got full exhaust on it now, down pipes, mid pipe, and this awesome catback that has a valve in it. So you can actually like change the tone. We're tuning the car now for E85. It's on 93. We're gonna drop some E85 in it, see what kind of power we can get. It's got the Cobb intakes as well. So really nice rounded out, full bolt-on E85 package. Let's get this thing on a dyno and see what she does. Okay, we're loaded up on the dyno. Getting ready to make a pull for 93 octane. We'll see what that gets us. Realistically, we like to see close to 550 on 93. Anything close to 550, anything over 525, 530 towards that 550 point, that's the right horsepower level for 93 with full bolt-ons. Then with the E85, we'll push for 600 or get close to it. Let's see what we can muster up. Here you can see the intakes. Very nice. Just a cool car. So that was perfect, right on the dot. 549 to the wheel with 510 torque. That's exactly what we were expecting. So we're gonna go ahead now and drain the 93, fill up with the 85, and then see if we can push closer to that 600. Okay, so the E85 is in the car now. We're ready to go. Let's see if we can hit that high fives number that we're expecting. Okay, so 579, rated 580. The ethanol content that we're seeing right now is about 69%, so it's a little low. If we can get that ethanol content up around 85, that would be our extra 10, 15 horsepower we're looking for. But with the ethanol content where it's at, that's about right. We're not going to expect too much more. Either way, a nice healthy increase from 550, you're talking about another 30 horsepower. Same boost, no differences there. That's pretty good. All right, so we're out now. We've just gotten it off the dyno, and I just wanted to demonstrate the exhaust and give you guys a feel for what to expect if you do something like this to your GTR. So the owner, Kenji, was nice enough to let us take this car out and do a little video. So let's check it out. Here you can see we're off right now. We'll go ahead and start this up and you can hear the difference. So right now, it's very quiet. It's actually almost like stock. Very quiet. And in the car, definitely. You can hear a little bit from the mid pipe, and that's about it. But very quiet. And now, with this button, we're going to turn this on, and you'll hear the difference. So, a much more aggressive tone. You can hear it. So now we'll drive a little bit. And you can hear the difference. So this is with the exhaust open right now. Got a nice, pretty loud tone to it. And then if I shut it, it goes almost silent. That's so neat. It literally feels like it's factory now. It doesn't feel highly modified at all. So a huge difference in the sound just from the exhaust. We'll turn it back on, and then the sound comes back. Really cool. I'm enjoying it. So now we'll, with your permission, we'll do a little wide open. Feel it? All right. Down to first gear. We've got our stuff off, our nannies. Boost is set good. All right, here we go. What do you think of that?
Man, that's fast.
I think those results speak for themselves. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See you guys in the next one.